How to choose a garage door. Roller shutter door. Roller shutter doors are a popular option for garage doors. Advantages: affordable price, simple operation. Disadvantages: slightly noisy, slower opening and closing speed. Up and over door. Advantages: attractive appearance, silent operation. Disadvantages: slow opening and closing speed, cannot be frequently opened and closed. Turbo hard fast door. The Turbo Hard Fast Door is a new type of garage door that overcomes the shortcomings of slow opening and closing speed and inability to be frequently opened and closed of up and over doors. The disadvantage is that it is slightly more expensive.